On today's video, we are making a sarwad or beetroot. If you have not tried beetroot this way, you're missing on a lot. That's all I have to say. This thing is packed with nutrients. You can go look up. To make this simple recipe, you need just few ingredients. So it's just beetroot, onions, garlic, oil, and salt to your taste, and that's all. And so first thing first, you would peel the beetroot. I already have it peeled here. And then you would cut it. I use food processor to grate it. And then once I'm done grating, I'll just saute the onions with oil, garlic, and a bit of salt. And then we'll go ahead and add the beetroot. It looks like it's a lot, but once it's cooked, it will reduce down. So put it on low medium heat and let it cook. So it will take time, but go do something else while it cooks. So let it cook with its own juice. That's where the sweetness comes from. And by the time it kind of dries off, it should be cooked already. And then you can go back and check the salt, add a little bit of oil, and finish it off with jalapeno and enjoy. It tastes delicious with injera if you can find injera, or you can make injera from my channel. Let me know how you go with this simple recipe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.